Today we talked about kind of all of the stuff we've learned so far, and we refined it, like the tuck turn and the send out, and then we gave you this new little side pass. Looks like this. Hey, we switched them.